Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something truly timeless, beautiful ceramic pots that can instantly add charm and elegance to any corner of your home or garden. From classic designs to modern textures, these pots are not just planter, they are pieces of art that bring life and color to your space. So stay tuned till the end because I will also share some smart styling tips you will love. This is one of the most unique and eye-catching ceramic pots you will ever find. The design is inspired by the shape of cactus, giving it a fun and quirky look that instantly stands out. The pot has a glossy deep blue glaze with a soft violet shine that changes beautifully under light. It almost looks like it's glowing. The raised dotted texture all over the surface adds a lovely handmade touch, giving it that perfect mix of creativity and craftsmanship. It's made from premium quality ceramic, making it durable, sturdy, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use this pot for succulents, cacti, or small indoor plants, and even as a standalone decorative space. Whether it's your living room, balcony, or workspace, this cactus shaped pot adds a modern and artistic vibe to any corner. And the best part, it's available at a very affordable price of 250 only. A perfect blend of beauty, quality, and value. This beautiful ceramic pot has a very elegant and modern look that can instantly elevate the charm of any indoor or outdoor space. The rich brown glaze gives it a classy earthy tone, while the spiral line design wrapping around the surface adds a touch of sophistication and style. The glossy finish makes it shine beautifully under natural or indoor light, giving it a premium feel. What I really love about this pot is its perfect balance of simplicity and art. It's not overly decorated, yet the spiral pattern gives it a very designer look. The pot is made of high quality ceramic material, making it sturdy, durable, and resistant to fading or cracking. You can easily use it for medium sized plants like money plants, peace lilies, or even decorative indoor palms. Because of its smooth finish and fine craftsmanship, it's also super easy to clean and maintain. Just wipe it gently with a soft cloth and it looks brand new every time. You can keep it in your living room, balcony, patio, or even at your office corner. It blends beautifully with both modern and traditional decor. And the best part, despite looking so premium, this gorgeous ceramic pot is available at a very affordable price of 320 only. It's a perfect choice for anyone who loves elegant, long-lasting and artistic home decor pieces. This ceramic pot is a true piece of art, modern, stylish, and full of character. The unique cracked texture design all over the surface gives it a bold and creative look that immediately catches attention. The beautiful combination of creamy white lines against the deep blue glaze creates a stunning contrast, almost like an abstract mosaic pattern. Each pot is handcrafted with care, which makes every piece slightly different and one of a kind. The texture is slightly raised, giving it a 3D effect and making it feel rich and artistic to the touch. It's made from high quality ceramic, ensuring excellent durability, water resistance, and long lasting shine. This pot is perfect for indoor plants like money plants, jade plants, succulents, or even small flowering plants. You can place it in your living room, balcony, study table, or office desk. It instantly brightens up any corner with its modern yet earthy charm. Another great thing about this pot is that it looks equally beautiful even when kept empty. It doubles as a decorative piece for shelves or center tables. So if you are someone who loves unique home decor, this one is a must have. And the best part, you can get this gorgeous designing ceramic pot for just 380 only. A perfect mix of creativity creativity, quality, and affordability. This ceramic pot is a perfect example of modern art meeting timeless elegance. The glossy black glaze with abstract white patterns gives it a very sophisticated and luxurious look. The design almost resembles a natural marble texture. Every swirl and line looks beautifully organic, making each piece completely unique. The pot has a smooth finish with a slightly reflective surface that catches light wonderfully, adding depth and richness to its appearance. It's a handcrafted from premium ceramic material which ensures durability, long life, and resistance to water and fading. The edges are smoothly curved and the overall shape is perfectly balanced, simply yet striking. This pot works beautifully for indoor decor, whether you place it on your center table, balcony shelf, or office desk. It immediately adds a classy, artistic vibe to the space. You can use it for small leafy plants, succulents, or even colorful flowers. The black and white contrast makes every plant look more vibrant and eye-catching. It also a great gift idea for anyone who loves elegant and artistic home decor, and the best part, you can get this gorgeous handmade ceramic pot for just $460 only. A beautiful combination of art quality and affordability, perfect for giving your space a modern design touch. Now this elegant ceramic pot brings a touch of pure sophistication to your space. Its soft off-white color paired with the raised texture patterns gives it a luxurious handcrafted look. This is a perfect balance between simplicity and style. The pot is made from high-quality ceramic, giving it strength, durability, and a beautiful glossy finish that's easy to clean and completely water resistant. Its smooth rounded edges and perfect cylindrical shape make it suitable for any kind of indoor plant, from peace lilies to money plants or even succulents. This pot looks amazing in living rooms, balconies, or even as a table centerpiece. It blends beautifully with both modern and traditional interiors, adding a soft and soothing charm. You can get this gorgeous handcrafted ceramic pot for just $290 only, a perfect choice for anyone who loves minimal yet premium home decor. This ceramic pot is pure elegance with a touch of modern artistry. The deep matte black body beautifully contrasts with the glossy ocean blue drip glaze along the rim. It looks like flowing waves gently cascading down the surface. The texture of the blue glaze gives it a natural, handcrafted charm, making every single piece slightly different and full of personality. When light hits the pot, you can see subtle reflection in the blue glaze, creating a smooth blend of dark and light tones, almost like the meeting of night sky and sea. It's made from high-quality ceramic, ensuring strong build, water resistance, and a long-lasting shine that stays beautiful over time. The pot's design is bold yet minimal, perfect for people who love modern decor with a hint of creativity. Whether you use it indoors or on your balcony, it instantly elevates your space. You can pair it with plants like snake plants, peace lilies, or small palms. Their fresh green color pops beautifully against the black and blue contrast. This pot also makes a wonderful gift for anyone who appreciates artistic home decor. The finishing is smooth, the base is stable, and it's easy to clean and maintain. Every detail from the glaze to the texture reflects fine craftsmanship and love for art. If you are looking for a statement piece that combines strength, beauty, and uniqueness, the ceramic pot is the one for you. And the best part, you can get this stunning handcrafted design for just $320 only. A perfect mix of art quality and modern design, sure to make your plant corner stand out. This stunning ceramic vase is a perfect blend of tradition and artistry. Each piece is carefully handcrafted and beautifully hand-painted. The soft cream-based color gives it a natural earthy feel, while the vibrant floral patterns in shades of yellow, red, and blue bring the entire design to life. The curved body and slightly flared rim create a graceful appearance that both classic and timeless. Every brushstroke on this vase tells a story of skilled craftsmanship and creative expression. No two pieces are ever exactly alike. The colors are applied with precision and sealed with a glossy finish, ensuring they remain bright and beautiful for years. This vase is not just a decor item, it's a piece of art that can instantly brighten any corner of your home. Whether you use it to display fresh flowers, dry stems, or even keep it empty as a decorative accent, it adds warmth, character, and charm to any room. Made from premium ceramic material, it's durable, water resistant, and easy to maintain. You can place it in your living room, entryway, or on a center table. Its vibrant design will always catch the eye and spark admiration. If you are looking for something colorful, traditional yet stylish, this vase is the perfect pick. And the best part, you can own this gorgeous hand-painted ceramic vase for just $250 only. A perfect gift for art lovers or a beautiful addition to your own collection. It's sure to fill your home with elegance and creativity. This cheerful yellow ceramic pot is the perfect way to add a splash of sunshine to your space. Its vibrant color instantly lifts the mood of any room, making it a perfect choice for modern and colorful decor lovers. This pot has a unique design, soft rounded edges that form a beautiful flowers-like shape, giving it an elegant and playful look at the same time. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, it has a smooth glossy finish that reflects light beautifully and adds a premium touch to your plant setup. The bright yellow glaze is evenly coated, giving it a clean, sophisticated appearance while ensuring durability and resistance to fading or chipping. This pot is perfect for small to medium indoor plants, succulents, money plants, ferns, or even colorful flowers. It's lightweight yet sturdy, easy to clean, and water resistant. Whether you place it on the study table, balcony, or windowsill, this pot instantly adds life and color to your home. It's also a great gifting option for anyone who loves gardening or home decor. Simple, elegant, and full of charm. The color yellows represent happiness, energy, and positivity. Making this pot more than just a planter, it's a little ray of joy for your space. You can get this gorgeous handcrafted yellow ceramic pot for just $320 only. A small piece for something that brings so much warmth and beauty into your home. This adorable dark-shaped ceramic pot is the perfect blend of charm and creativity. With its smooth, glossy blue finish and graceful curves, it instantly catches the eye and adds a playful yet elegant touch to any corner of your home. Handcrafted with care, this pot is made from premium ceramic material, giving it a strong and durable structure while maintaining a delicate, polished look. The pastel blue glaze adds a calming, smoothing vibe, perfect for minimal or nature-inspired decor. Its unique dark design makes it a standout piece. Whether you use it as a mini planter, a table decor, or even a cute storage board for your small accessories, it brings a touch of fun and freshness whether it's placed. This piece beautifully combines functionality with artistry. The surface has a smooth glaze that reflects light gently, giving it that subtle glossy shine. It's easy to clean, water resistant, and ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for gifting or for decorating your workspace, balcony, or coffee table. This duck pot brings a cheerful, heartwarming vibe to your surroundings. And the best part, you can get this lovely handcrafted duck-shaped ceramic pot for just 150, a small price for something so unique and full of personality. Now, this elegant off-white ceramic pot is the perfect example of simplicity meeting sophistication. Its round shape with a beautifully wavy rim gives it a soft, handcrafted appeal, something that instantly adds a touch of class to any home decor. Made from high-quality ceramic, this pot has a smooth matte finish with subtle engraved leaf patterns around the body, adding just the right amount of texture and artistry without being too flashy. The off-white tone blends effortlessly with any color scheme, making it ideal for both modern and traditional interiors. Its wide, deep design makes it perfect for a variety of indoor plants, from ferns and money plants to flowering succulents. You can even use it as a table centerpiece or a decorative bowl. It's that versatile. Each curve and carving on this pot reflects fine craftsmanship and attention to detail. The material is durable, water resistant, and easy to maintain, ensuring long lasting beauty. Whether you keep it in your living room, balcony, or office corner, it brings calm, warmth, and a hint of elegance to the space. This timeless ceramic piece is not just a pot, it's a statement of taste and simplicity. You can bring home this beautiful handcrafted ceramic pot for just 230 only, an affordable way to elevate your decor with pure elegance. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring these beautiful ceramic pots as much as I did. They truly prove that even the smallest decor choice can make a big difference in your space. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home and plant decor ideas. Comment below which pot was your favorite. I would love to know. See you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep growing green.